Being a teen isn't cheap, but finding time to work while going to school, participating in activities, and keeping a social life can also be tough. That's one reason online jobs for teens are becoming so popular. In today's video, I'm going to be addressing a question I received via YouTube from Mo. We're going to be looking at what are the current available online jobs that teenagers can do to start earning some good money. Before I dive in, do take note that the income information shared here are based on the research provided by job site Indeed.com, focusing more on the US market, and can therefore vary from country to country. However, don't let that stop you from giving them a go if any one of the jobs sound like a good fit for you. Here are the top 5 online jobs for teens looking to earn some extra money during their free time. Number 1, online surveys and reviews. National average salary. It varies based on numbers and type of surveys or reviews completed. What are the primary duties? Large companies are regularly searching for opinions from various age groups, including teenagers, and there are several online survey companies where you can sign up and earn money for giving your opinion. In general, surveys take just a few minutes to complete. The more surveys you do, the more money you can earn. If you're interested in this form of online job, please make sure that you are signing up with a legitimate platform. For example, Inbox Dollars. What are the job requirements? Teens should always read the terms of service before registering with an online survey platform. For example, some platforms will require users to complete a large number of surveys before any money will be earned, while other platforms require you to register with a second company before you can get any credit for completed surveys. Researching how payments will occur is also important, as some websites offer monetary payments and others reward completed surveys with gift cards. Number 2, other online tasks. National average salary varies based on number and type of task completed. What are the primary duties? If you have good organizational and time management skills, you may be able to find several online tasks you can complete to earn extra money. Because each task generally doesn't take long to complete, teens who are skilled at managing their time can complete several tasks to maximize their earnings. Examples of such tasks include being paid to watch online videos to increase the view count, playing games and reporting any errors found in the game, and completing simple online searches. For example, swag bucks. Job requirement? These jobs require you to have excellent time management skills and a dedicated work ethic so that you can complete several tasks in a short period of time to maximize your earnings. Number 3, online merchandiser. National average salary, $12.78 per hour. What are the primary duties? More and more people are beginning to shop online over time, so teens with the ability to create and market a product may find working as an online retailer to be a rewarding job. There are several platforms available online where users can make and sell homemade goods. For example, if you're a skilled knitter, you may be able to sell the items you knit on one of these sites. For example, Etsy or Amazon or eBay. If you have a lot of clothing, electronics, jewelry, or other items you no longer need or want, you can try to sell them on eBay Kleinanzeigen to earn some extra money. It's a platform by eBay to sell second-hand items. Job requirements? To be an online merchandiser, you must have a product you can sell and be a registered user or member of an online selling platform. Each platform usually has its own terms you must agree to use their site, so please read through first before you start selling. Number 4, creative freelance jobs. National average salary, $796 per week. What are the primary duties? Instead of hiring traditional employees, many businesses are now using freelance creative workers to complete these important tasks and projects. If you have a creative spirit, there are several job opportunities for you to explore, such as content writing, voiceovers, and graphic design. Content writers create online blog articles and other web page content for businesses to use on their websites. A few websites you can consider: Reedsy and Upwork. Job requirements? These jobs usually require you to have strong creative skills related to the work you are doing, as well as to always have good communication with your client and time management skills. Number 5, online tutor. National average salary, $21.43 per hour. What are the primary duties? Many people don't know this, but one of the best paying jobs a teen can do online is to become an online tutor. While online tutoring is usually reserved for older students, there are certain platforms where teens can tutor their peers for a worthwhile fee. You may be able to provide online peer tutoring for a subject or course you have mastered, or for teaching language skills to foreign non-native speakers. Each online tutoring session usually lasts about half an hour to an hour. One example will be Udemy. Job requirements? Online tutoring jobs often require teens to prove their mastery of the subject or course by passing a test. Certain platforms may also require the tutor to be at least 18 years old and/or complete several training sessions before they can begin working with other students. Most platforms require tutors to have a web camera, as sessions are usually conducted via video conferencing. Now, I really love to hear from you. Do you know of any other well-paying jobs that are suitable for teenagers in 2021? Let me know in the comments below. If you find my channel helpful and you'd like to support my work here on YouTube, do click the join button down below to find out how you can become a member of my Thrive with Trish club. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you found this video helpful. Good luck in your job search and see you in my next episode of Thrive with Trish.